Alright, in this lesson you're going to be learning how to do a brochure. You're going to be downloading this template. This is called a template because it just gives you the guidelines for putting your brochure together. This information that you see in the template gets deleted out. You don't actually use this. In fact, in some of it you can see that it's in Latin. And so it's just basically a placeholder for where you're going to put your information in. But the template does give you a good guideline in order to get started. All right, in this particular brochure you can see that it's got 3 panels and it's got a front and a back. And what you would do is you would create your brochure, and then it would get printed out and then folded so that it would look like a brochure. Now what you're going to be doing today is a CTE brochure, and you're going to be pretty much putting in the classes for my courses. And in the high school you actually get to select your courses. In middle school you really don't have too much of a choice, but this would be more geared to a high school where the CTE department was trying to get students to sign up for their classes. But I thought we'd go ahead and do this for my classes, just to give you some experience putting a brochure together. Okay, you can see you've got side 1 and side 2, and you will be given a handout that will have each side for you. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're just going to change the information that's already in here. For example, in the very first text box here, you just put Pamlico County Middle School. And if you'll just make your text box a little bit larger, everything should fit. Something else that I want you to do is this little line up here. I want you to go ahead and change that to just black instead of red. It'll just look better for what we're doing. All right, also where it says business tagline or motto, we are going to put in quotation marks, home of the Canes. And let's make that black. And go ahead and center it too. Now right underneath it we're going to go and put our Canes logo. You should know how to do that. I'm going to give you a link to download it again if you don't know where it is. But we're going to make the logo real small for this activity. You can even make it smaller than that. Alright, so you're going to continue to fill in all the information from your handout. The text boxes and everything are going to be right in place for you. And one other thing I want you to do with this picture here, let's change that. If you'll double click on it, you'll see your menu is going to change. And let's go to recolor. And let's go to more variations. Let's just make this black. Okay. So when you're completely finished, okay, here's what it'll look like. You can see side 1 will look like that, and then side 2, which is actually the inside portion, will look like this. You're just pretty much replacing the placeholders with the information that you want to put in there. Now, when you're done, if you would please remember to go to File, Save As type. Let's make it a PDF. And that's what I want you to send to me. I'll be checking to see if you've got everything you need. So just follow the directions and you should have a nice looking brochure when you're done. That's it.